Hello everyone. Today we are going to see an online compiler which you can compile on different programming languages, that is GBD Online Compiler. Now we can see the procedure how to log in into this online GBD compiler and how can you run the programs as well as how to save it and how to debug the code too. See here, first of all go to the Chrome and type online GBD compiler. Then you can see this one. Just navigate into this. Then you can see like this. So you can log in through email and password, and you can directly go with the continue with Google. Then you can see the option you are successfully logged in, so that you have got the option log out, and you are going to see your name over here, that is with respect to your mail, and my mail is with Santoshi, so my name is it gave me the name Santoshi. Now if you wish to create a new project, here is the option create new project, and you can view your saved projects or my projects option. And here is the languages you can prefer: C, C++, Java, Python, and many more languages you can opt. Now I'm going with Java. It will give you the basic code hello world. Let us just compile it. I'm running the program so that you can see the output over here, hello world. It is the basic Java program, and you can see in many programming languages such as C, and you can run the code. It gives the hello world. You can save your code by giving its name. I am giving the name as hello world. Save. So it is saved. It is saving. So now it's saved. Now you can view your projects, your things in the my projects. Here you can see your respective programs which you have saved. You can create a new project file also, new project file, so that you can code over there, and you can create. See, new project means you are opening with a new tab where you can write a set of code lines, where you also has an option like new folder. See, I'm giving folder name as coading. Okay, save. Coding is a folder where it can contain a set of files. Now you can move this respective file. Okay, here it is due to the network issue I am getting an error, but you can send this file to a destination folder. See, it is loading. You can get as folder names. Recently we have created a folder that is coding. You can shift into that. You can move it. It is a network issue, but you can get it, so that you can save the respective file into that folder, and you can see my projects. Okay, destination file. Okay, it will be saved. Yeah. Excuse me. It is the thing with online GBD compiler. It is a free online platform where you can code in several programming languages, and you can save those codings too with in different formats like project, folders, and you can delete also, and you can download the current file, and you can save, and you can beautify it. See here certain options. Thank you.